guys, welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Gupshup. Hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is going to be about these beautiful Korean mask, Korean sheet mask. So these sheet mask I have bought from Health and Glow, and if you want to buy these kind of sheet mask, you can go to Health and Glow website also, or you can purchase it from Nykaa also. So there in Nykaa you will get discounts all the time, so you can buy them from Nykaa site. So I'll in the description box I'll just leave a link for these sheet masks as well, and the same brand you will get in Nykaa also. So I have bought around 4 sheet masks. One is herbs one, another one is carrot, which is from its skin, and this is papaya, and the other one is berry. So these are the 4 sheet masks I bought, and so these costed me around 100 rupees each. So let's get started and tell you how to use these kind of sheet mask to improve your skin texture. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to cleanse your face properly. You have to actually remove all your makeup. You have to hydrate your skin properly, wash your face, and once it's done, let's get ready for the facial now. So yes, I am ready for that. So once it's done, you have to tear it, and this is how it comes out. So after the mask is removed, you need not to use any water to wash it. Let that essence absorb in itself into your skin and give a bright skin to you. So just do and sleep. So stay tuned for the next week. Hope you like this video. So if you like the video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and comment below about the sheet mask if you are using a sheet mask. So yes, take care, bye bye.